everybody, Dave Matthews for Champion Trading again. What we're demonstrating for you today, and by the way, we're up in one of our warehouses today because there's no room down in the shop, so this is only 120 volt operation, so it's quick and easy to set up. This is the Safeline Power Phase Plus metal detector. Now, this particular detector is a 2x6 aperture opening through the detector, and that's because in its former application it was feeding a continuous roll of material which became a wipe inside a package. So they're pre-testing it to make sure there was no metal before putting it into the package. As I mentioned, the unit operates on 110 volt. We've already tested it, but we're going to demonstrate for you right now. We have a number of test kits in our stock here. So we're going to start. This is a 3/32 ferrous metal, steel, and it's embedded in the end of the wand. So we just stick it in here, and I'll do that again. Tam, you can see the detector, see that really well. That's about a 3mm sample. Here's the same thing in 3/16 stainless. Sees that very well. Here's a 3/32. That's about 2mm in steel as well. Now we've seen the bottom end of this. This is a ferrous sample at 1.5mm. You see it's on the cards. These are the cards from Safeline. And you'll see that's a really small piece of metal. That's 1.5mm. It is detecting this, but this is getting near its limit. Now that's a 1.5 sample. We're going to go down and just show you where we find it limiting, because most detectors don't see under 1mm. It's not very practical. Here's a 1mm ferrous sample. And you see it doesn't actually see that. It does get a slight indication when I push it all the way in, but it's just at the limit. So we found the minimum to be about the 1.2mm. And so that's the closest we have for a sample. Oh, here it is, the 1.2mm. Go a little bit higher, and you'll see that's where it's all. We'll show that again. So that's about the bottom level of what this particular machine is detecting. Now, of course, that's before balancing or any factory assistance you choose to get. The detector is working well. We have lots of metal detectors, packaging equipment, process equipment in our stock of nearly 3,000 items. So we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today for this video.